Long-term stock to invest in. Today I've got an exciting video for you. I have got a stock that is looking at a really good price at the moment. It's called NEO. So for me, NEO Inc. is a long-term stock to invest in as it's currently trading around $40 mark on the New York Stock Exchange. Okay, just a little bit of background on the price. Recently, Nico's price dropped from $55 since the 23rd of November and has dropped to a further this week to $40, around $40, after the dilution of 60 million shares. So they sold off 60 million shares, which will be adding to the current 1 billion shares of Nico. This was to raise capital to invest in developments, with rumors to expand to the European market. Okay, so sales of Nico compared to 2019 is a 100% increase every month since. So let's just look at Nico's stock price. Okay, so since November the 23rd, you can see here it was at $55.38. It dropped down to $39 yesterday, which was a really good price for this stock. The company is doing really well. It's got a great potential in the future. It's creating great products. So Nico, if you're not sure of what Neo is a Chinese manufacturer of autonomous electric cars founded in 2014. So it's quite similar to what Tesla are doing with their electric cars. But Neo also does a clothing line, and they do a service center for batteries, electric batteries, etc., and a battery swap centers, etc. Okay, so Neo is a really big company, real good potential. As you can see here on eToro, there's a lot of talk about Neo at the moment because of the price drop. Everybody's getting in to buy the stock at this cheap price. Okay, I recommend for this is a long-term stock. What happened yesterday was I actually started day trading this stock, but I seen it was at such a good price. I bought it at yesterday. So for yesterday, you can see here, I invested $1,162. I bought 28.71 shares and I bought them at $40.47. Okay, already since yesterday. So today is Tuesday, the 15th of December. So yesterday I bought them early at 40.47, actually dropped to 39, which would even been a better price, but already it's up $19.81. So it's up 1.7% already. But guys, it's still a good time to invest in Neo. They're doing some great things, and definitely if they expand into the European market, it's got great hopes for this company. So if you go to their website, they create these big, large, like a Range Rover kind of electric car. They're like Tesla, but if they release into the European market, they're going to do quite well because of their size. They're like a Range Rover of electric car, very safe, etc. Real luxurious, good technology. So they are like the Chinese Tesla, okay, a version of Tesla. So you can see here the Neo ES8, big machines here, big SUVs. They're all autonomous technology, all of the new clever technology. Also, Neo does the service centers where they replace batteries and service the cars. They're also into cool things like designing clothes and partnership with other companies to design all sorts of new technology for the house, etc. Okay, you can look through their website yourself, but they just do Neo House, Neo Power, and Neo Service. So the cars are really cool, so they are. So like a really cool company, a really good price to get in it. Everybody's talking about it at the moment. Even if you wanted to day trade this from today, it would be a good time to day trade because I can see the price even going up more. But you can see some of the cars, the ES8, really nice vehicles, and they're doing very well in the market. And as you said, look at the inside of these cars, really cool technology. Looks like they're really safe, real futuristic. So Neo is one to look out for, definitely. Doing as I said, doing very well. If you look at the stock price pre-market today on Tuesday, the 15th of December, it's already up another 1.2%, $1 and 22 cent there. You can see there $1.22. So it's up 2.98%. So that price is going to go up once the market opens. So even a good time, I'm going to invest probably lodge more money into eToro today, and I'm going to day trade this today again. Okay, so you can day trade and swing trade stocks all the same stock all the time if you want to. Some people day trade the same stock all the time. So you can see there already up 1.70 and pre-market price is going up. So looking really good for this stock. If you look at the forecast, massive forecasts, okay, I'm on the CNN business website here, but analysts expect in the next 12 months for the stock price a high of 394.93, and it's trading at the $41 mark around now, and mid average would be average stock prediction for the next 12 months is 334.91, and the low point is 104.51. So even if it just goes to the low point in the next 12 months, it's going to be a good investment. You'll never get this kind of a price of interest off the bank. So a really good stock to invest in. I recommend everyone, but you got to take this as just advice, but it's my recommendation, my review, but you need to do your own research. So before you invest in any stocks, because this stock will go up and will go down in the next 12 months, but I'm looking for the long term for this stock. Okay, if you want to day trade it, that's okay. You can day trade it, swing trade it, if you're not feeling so more confident, but definitely for the long term, I'm going to leave this investment in for the long term. Okay. So Nico, just a little bit more, or Neo, sorry, has several high profile investors such as Baidu. Okay, so they're like the Google of China, Lenovo, they make laptops and technology companies, and TBG. Okay. Uh, Neo Neo while tests has won records for the fastest electric car in the past on the track, but it also received testing permits by the California DMV in 2016 to test performance on open roads. And obviously, they're selling their products at the moment. Okay, so NIO sells its five-seater, six-seater, and seven-seater electric cars in China, Hong Kong, United States, UK, Germany for now, and are similar to the Range Rover of the electrical car world. Okay, so currently the stock market analysts have an overweight recommendation, meaning the price is a good value compared to other stocks. So even the stock market analysts are saying it's a really good valued price now. Okay, as I said, 13 analysts have a stock price forecast over the next 12 months of an average of $327.39, a low of 104.51, and a high estimate of 394.93. And that could change slightly as the time goes on. Okay, so really good stock, guys. If you want to day trade this, you want to swing trade this at the moment, but definitely for a long-term stock to invest in, Neo would be definitely a good choice for me. I'm going to make videos on how this stock is doing. I have been focusing on day trading, learning how to day trade, and I'm going to continue that and can create more videos on that soon. But as I said, I was day trading Neo, and I said I bought it at such a good price. I'm gonna just start building up my portfolio for long term, and leave this investment in. So there again, I invested 1,162. I have 28.71 stocks. So I opened at $40.47, and so already up 1.7%, and pre-market is already up, guys. If you click into Neo on eToro, and if you want to buy stocks on eToro, there's a link in the description, or you can go to buystocks.ai. That's my partnership link. It'll bring you to the secure eToro website. Remember, when you buy stocks on eToro, you actually own the underlying asset. Okay, look at this, guys. So if I wanted to invest another, let's say today I want to invest another 1,000. Okay, so it says deposit 1,000 in order. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so no stop loss. Okay, you're gonna own this. If you don't use leverage, you're going to own the underlying assets. So you'll own the stock. Okay. So be careful of that. Don't use leverage. Leverage is risky. Okay. So you can double or triple your gains, or by 5, by 10, but you can also lose a lot of money with leverage. Also, if you open a sell position on eToro, remember that you don't own the underlying assets. So you need to buy the stock with no leverage, and then you own the stock and you get no commission, no overnight fees. The only fee you'll have is when you deposit money in that's not euros onto eToro. There is a conversion fee, which I made a video on that also. You can check back on my videos. But yeah, really good stock, guys. I'm excited for this one. If you look on eToro on the news feed, you can see lots of people are happy they bought it at like $39 yesterday. Look, they're saying a lot of, okay. So yes, there's a lot of people commenting on here. Okay, so this guy here just bought stocks at 41.15, and he's got here the spaceships, meaning that it's gonna go flying up. It's gonna go way up in price. You see this person yesterday told probably last chance, but it's still at a really low price here, guys. So if you want to invest in a really cool growing company, you can as I said, swing trade, or you can day trade this one. Good price at the moment, but for long term, it might go up and down in the next year. But definitely over the long term, what analysts are saying, massive forecasts in this stock to go up in value. But I can only see this stock going up in value. So you can look through the charts. You can look through the stats, everything on eToro if you're using eToro. So there again, like it was up at that high of 55.42. So you're buying at a great price here. Although they diluted some of the shares, 60 million of them actually took, but that money is going to go back into the company to invest in development and maybe expand more into Europe, and that will increase the stock price overall. Tesla did the same thing before, but their stock price went back up, dropped a little bit, but went back up. So, guys, if you're looking for a long term stock to invest in, I would say NEO is a good choice. Um, so, I'll be making updated videos on this and maybe more day trading videos soon. So, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace and love. Bye.